Voici le moment où les policiers découvrent bien plus que de simples objets volés dans une enquête pour vol à l'étalage. Le 25 mars 2024, Amber McCann, 30 ans, entre dans un Walmart à Palm Coast, en Floride, et en ressort sans payer.
We're doing an investigation right now. Apparently somebody walked out with a
Car, put it in a random car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me.
Okay, would you come over by the car with us?
Oh, whose car is it?
What do you mean?
Whose car is it?
I don't know.
Me neither.
So where's all your stuff you took out of the store? And
I put it in a random car that was open.
In a random car that was open?
Yeah.
For what?
It's a game I was playing.
It's called 21. It's basically like you go and steal all the shit that you can steal and you get out without getting caught.
Well, it's not really a game.
It is a game.
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me.
Très vite, Amber admet avoir volé les articles. Les policiers la placent donc en détention et l'installent à l'arrière de leur véhicule.
Yeah, that's my boyfriend's car. He ran in the car and he was shopping and I had found all the that I wanted because they told me to play 21 and my boyfriend's older than me so he doesn't play that. And I started playing the game. This is my first time playing the game and I put the in the back of the car and I saw you guys coming so I walked off.
Au début, elle raconte calmement les faits qui ont conduit à son arrestation. Mais rapidement, son ton change et devient explosif.
I need to figure out how much dollar value you stole from Walmart.
Probably a lot because I took a lot of shit. They told me to play a game. T told me to play a game. My demon. So he told me to play a game called 21 and I played it and then I got caught. I have psychological problems. Like I have mental issues like bipolar, anxiety, depression, all that. Schizophrenia? Yeah. So do you have a attitude on me or are you good? Because you asked me questions but it looks like you got a attitude. Are you good? But you got a attitude with your little prissy blink blink.
I'm not yelling at you.
Okay, but you got an attitude.
That's how I am.
Well then change it. Because you meet people like me. Off duty.
Okay? Is that
Okay. No, it's not. But I'm just letting you know how the real world works.
It's not.
Okay, because you're a hard ass with that shit, but you're not with that.
Face à cette attitude, l'officier met fin à la conversation et poursuit son enquête sur les biens volés. Lorsqu'elle referme la portière du véhicule, la réaction d'Amber est immédiate et loin d'être coopérative.
Close the door like that again, you stupid bitch. You're not hard. And that's not your purpose to be an officer.
Pendant ce temps, les agents fouillent la voiture et rassemblent les marchandises dérobées. Mais ils ignorent encore qu'une découverte bien plus grave les attend dans le coffre.
We got white crystals, gold pipe, and a safe.
Let me see.
Two.
Les policiers en sortent un coffre-fort et l'ouvrent à l'aide d'un pied de biche. Ce qu'ils trouvent à l'intérieur transforme une simple affaire de vol à l'étalage en un dossier criminel d'une toute autre ampleur.
It's not cocaine, so I'm gonna guarantee it's meth. Like everything else.
White powder? We got
A lot of white powder.
crystal.
Oh,
More crystal.
Amber est désormais inculpée de 4 chefs d'accusation criminels. Trafic de méthamphétamine, possession de hashish, vol à l'étalage et grand vol, possession d'alprazolam. À cela s'ajoutent 2 délits supplémentaires, possession de marijuana, possession de matériel lié à la drogue. Ce qui avait commencé comme une arrestation banale pour vol, s'est terminé par un véritable coup de filet.